Rain is pleasant when it pleases the thirst, not you alone. Rain in summer, altogether a great deal from nature to work on stability. When it rains in the night, by morning, things are normal. The equilibrium is maintained. The sunshine, my engine woke up from cold sleep. I am riding my ride. But who worked for it? None? Na. Everyone involved worked on it. Collaboration of nature and living beings. Rains wash off dirt so that we can ride. By the way, adventure motorcyclists don't complain. We understand, adapt, and evolve. Complaining is not our cup of coffee. We have more space for our beautiful memories our bike gives us. ADV rider won't avoid that. But for real, you can't avoid it. We aren't confined to road alone. We ride all the motorable paths, even dirt, maintaining equality. At the end, water from rain washes off the dirt. So, have a ride after every rain, because rain maintains equality, equilibrium. The morning after the rain.